Welcome to our guide on maintaining smart glass and smart film. With just a little care, you can ensure your switchable glass products keep performing at their best for years to come. Let's dive into some simple maintenance tips to keep your smart glass windows, walls, and doors in top shape. First up, cleaning your smart glass and film. It's easy. Smart glass can be cleaned just like regular glass, using alcohol or glass cleaner. For smart film, grab a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. Remember, always power off the film before cleaning, and wait until it's completely dry before turning it back on. And be gentle. Avoid any metal or hard cleaning tools that could scratch the surface. Now, let's talk about annual checks. After installation, it's a good idea to give your smart glass or film an annual once-over. Check the wiring, make sure the framing is undamaged, and ensure the transformer is working properly. Don't forget about the details. Check the edges for any signs of wear, especially if they were sealed with silicone gel. If the gel has worn away, replace it. Pay attention to the environment around your switchable glass. Keep an eye on humidity and temperature levels, and address any issues promptly to protect your investment. With regular cleaning and annual checks, your smart glass and film will work beautifully for years to come. Thanks for watching.